Have you ever heard of fire for fire? Fire for fire is the only statement that the witches hate to hear from anyone that has already know his or her right on this planet Earth. They are there to fight, and immediately they raise their ugly head. You need to stand. You need to rebuke every demonic powers of darkness against your family, against your life, against your business, against your future. Enough of running to pastors, running to imam, running to afar, running to a lot of people for help. Demons are always attacking a lot of people. So many cases I've treated that on the mountain. So many cases. But I look at it that there is no confidence in them because they don't know the kind of power that they possess. In Matthew chapter 28 verse 18, Jesus said unto them, all powers in heaven and on earth has been given unto me. Why can't we use that name that is above every other name? Why can't you use the name of Jesus and rain fire upon demonic power anytime we have a dream, scary dream of demonic attack? Anytime we have a scary dream of demonic bondage. When you have this particular trend coming every time and you become weak and weaker, you can't stand to fight. Don't forget that we are in this war to wrestle. And Ephesians chapter 6 verse 11 say, we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities. Verse 12, against power, against rulers of those that are in darkness, against those that are in heavenly places. Those that are rulers and controller of this world, that's what we are fighting with every day, every time, every areas of our life. If you are there and you are watching me right now, and you know those people that you can use this video to encourage. See, fire for fire is what you need. Don't wake up whenever you have a bad dream and said, oh, I'm having a bad dream now. I want to run to this person. I want to run this person. Let me call my mom. It's scary. See, devil knows that whenever you don't scare of them again, they become threatened, because immediately you start by using the name of Jesus, the fire of the Lord to rain and send it to their camp. They become burnt. All their relatives will become burnt. All their coven will become destroyed because they attack one man. So immediately they know that you are no nonsense person. Oh my God. Immediately witches and wizards know that you are no nonsense person, that every of their enterprise concerning the witchcraft power they are using against to attack you doesn't work and doesn't move you. That you always stand and have the authority in the name that's above every other name, which is the name of Jesus Christ. Immediately you have this mentality and they know that you have the mentality in you, they will become so scared and run away. That is who they are. They refuse to attack you. One day, Satan said to one of the demons, go and attack that brother. The demon told the Satan, see, I can't attack this brother. If you don't attack, I will derank you, I will destroy you, and I will kill you. The demon said, you can do this for me. At least if you attack me, I will die alone. Because this brother that I want to go and meet, immediately we attack. I have remembered some of my fair friends that attacked this brother before. He rained curse on them, rained fire on them, and all their coven were destroyed. Almost 20,000 out of all their demons in that zone destroyed by fire, because they feared the name of Jesus that this brother used to call. This happened like that. And these demons respect that name that's above every other name. Who are the witches? Who are the wizards? Who are those people that are feeding you in the dream, that are giving you food? Oh, yeah, sit down, let us eat. They serve you food. You don't know the people that always serve you food, but you still eat. And when you eat, when you wake up, you always feel so uneasy. You always feel so bad. You always look at your ways, your career, your destiny, everything just once. I pray, immediately you know you're right. Stand on the rock of ages. Say, I stand on the watch and I decree and I declare every powers of darkness against me, against my family, against my children, against my marriage, catch fire in the name of Jesus. See, fire for fire is what you need. Enough is enough of nonsense. Enough is enough of demonic bondage. Enough is enough of touching. Because touch not my anointed. That's what the Bible says. And do my prophet no harm. Psalm 105 verse 15. Touch not my anointed. Touch not. Because they know that they will stretch forth your hand against this anointed. They say, touch not them. Touch not them. They are not to be touched. And do my prophet no harm. Any harm that want to direct to you, immediately you shout Jesus Christ of Nazareth against every demonic power in the middle of the night, against every power of the middle, every darkness in the middle of the night. They will flee away. Please share this video. Let it touch those people and encourage them that enough is enough of crying around. Enough is enough. Please, you have to stand and pray earnestly. You pray earnestly. That's why I have to say that if you have pray earnestly, and you have followed this step and things are not working, you will come to my, just go to the description below and you see my number. You can chat me. I will encourage you more in prayer. I will join you together with my two prophets, because we are three, to pray along with you on this mountain. God will continue to bless you, heal you, strengthen you. Your comments mean a lot to me. Comment there and confirm it. What you are going to say enough is enough of nonsense. Say it in the comment section. Fire for fire. Enough is enough for every nonsense of the devil. Put it in the comment section below. I will read it and let me know the country you are watching me from. If you are Nigerian, just say I'm Nigerian. If you are in US, abroad, anywhere you are, in diaspora, just name it. Let me know your location. How the power of the Lord is being radiating in your life and how you are doing it effectively. Let me know it. You are going to go to this comment section and say, fire for fire. Enough is enough from every demonic nonsense. Put it, confirm it. It is well. Love you all. Bye for now.